Stop scrolling because you've probably never heard about nature's real ninjas, the geckos. These tiny, cute masters of stealth are a marvel of the deserts to jungles. Did you know their sticky toes are a scientific wonder? Covered with thousands of microscopic hairs called stealthy, these hairs enable geckos to walk upside down on surfaces like glass. Now here's the crazy part. Geckos don't have eyelids. They lick their oversized eyes to keep them clean and moist. But wait, it gets better. Some species of geckos can detach their tails to escape predators, then regenerate them later. How ninja is that? They are also nocturnal hunters, using their exceptional night vision, nearly 350 times more sensitive than humans, to locate their prey in the dark. So, whether they're scaling walls or zipping through tree branches, these creatures always stay a step ahead. Nature is wild, isn't it? Who needs superheroes when you have geckos? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more animal fun facts.